Weather Ready Alert Day forecast with Nicholas Driver in the Star 9 Alabama weather team.
Good Friday afternoon. My name is Nicholas Driver, and we thank you for tuning in here with us at Star 9 Alabama. We got a Weather Ready Alert Day in effect for your Friday evening ahead of the threat of severe weather. Let's get straight into it with your forecast. Forecast focus for this evening through Saturday morning. Storm threat could begin as early as 10 p.m. tonight, and it will continue through early 7 a.m. Saturday morning. Damaging winds, small hail, and an isolated quick spin-up tornado are all possible. Of course, that heavy rainfall is going to be expected with localized flooding possible. Temperatures tonight will sit in those 70s. Severe weather outlook. Many of us are sitting in a level 2 and a level 1 out of 5 slight and marginal risk. We do have a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for Lauderdale and Colbert counties there. That's where the tornado, hail, and wind threat is going to be the highest, but overall, everybody could see something tonight. Severe weather outlook going into Saturday as the severe threat continues. We have a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk in place for all of northern Alabama. Severe weather impacts. What could we see? Well, again, isolated spin-up tornadoes, 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gust or higher, 1 or 2 inches in size of hail, and flooding. The highest threats is going to be that damaging wind and flooding threat, if you will, but we cannot rule out isolated spin-up tornadoes and some larger hail. Star model, let's break it down, the timing, if you will. So starting around this evening, some isolated rain showers will be spread across the area potentially. Those could become strong, but it's not really expected until tonight around 10 and 11 p.m. as the main line begins to approach west of I-65, Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin, and Marion counties by, again, 10 or 11 p.m. A second round pushes in after that line, or just kind of right behind that line. You can see it move through east of I-65 by, that would be 1 a.m., and then a new round develops and pushes in by 3 a.m., potentially bringing a larger hail threat and damaging wind threat through to our southwestern counties there. But by the time we get to Saturday afternoon, those showers clear out and we're left with sunny skies. Now, there is still a potential that thunderstorms could develop off into the afternoon, but overall we're going to stay dry. Forecast for today, high of 88, mostly cloudy skies. Again, that low end precipitation chance of 20%. 30 mile per hour wind gusts are going to be possible, especially this evening. Here's what we're tracking going into your weekend. Sunday, we do have the potential for strong to severe storms that will continue across Sunday afternoon. Damaging wind, small hail, and frequent lightning are all possible threats. But temperatures in the 80s is going to be possible throughout your Sunday afternoon, if you will. Severe weather outlook, a level 1 out of 5 risk is in place for Sunday. Going into your extended forecast over the next 4 days, again, Saturday is going to be the greater of the days. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, showers and thunderstorms is going to be in the picture for most of the next couple of days. Unfortunately, with the we have eyes on Tuesday and Wednesday for another severe weather threat that begins to move in. But that is it for this forecast. Thank you for trusting us here at Star 9 Alabama. Stay tuned for this evening for a weather update, and we will be live if anything warrants it. Stay weather aware.
Stay tuned and stay weather aware. Thank you for trusting Star 9 Alabama for your Weather Ready Alert Day forecast.